Get on your walking shoes and get ready to explore the streets of Kyoto, starting off at the Imperial Palace and hopefully hitting the English tour. If you miss it, self-explore, then head over to Niho Castle. As you walk the streets, enjoy exploring this unique city, steeped in history and tradition. If you're looking for the perfect walking tour that visits several shrines and points of interest, visit the description below, click the link, and download your free walking tour guide. We found this the perfect way to spend our first full day in Japan, just walking at our leisure and exploring all of those points of interest. We felt deeply immersed in the culture immediately, and it was a great way to spend our first day. Dreaming of visiting Japan on your own incredible adventure, but just not sure where to start with the planning? Reach out to the Traveling Cheesehead in the link below and let's connect. Let's plan your perfect getaway to Japan and explore all that this rich culture has to offer. Comment and subscribe for more great adventures around the globe. Where are we going next? Let's go.